Hey guys, here's a step-by-step guide on how to schedule Instagram posts on PC. So go ahead to Meta Business Suite on your website or your phone, really, and log in using your Facebook account connected to your Instagram page. Next, connect your Instagram account. On the left sidebar, click Settings, Business Assets, and then Instagram account, right? Or you can click your avatar icon at the top, or click the three bars, three bars at the bottom, right? And then go ahead to the settings and connect to a new account. All right. Once connected, you'll see your page linked under connected asset, right? Or connected asset. Next, create your post. Click the plus button at the bottom middle and hit post, right? And then what you're gonna do, just select the post, hit next, right? And then add your caption, hashtags, and upload your photo or video. All right. Pro tip: Instagram prefers square 1080 by 1080, vertical 1080 by 1350, or for Reels 1080 by 1920 formats. And then what you're gonna do, just hit next, and you can schedule for later. Right. Select your date and time. Try posting when your audience is most active. Right? Hit done, then hit schedule. Boom. Your post will automatically go live at that time. No, nothing needed. Nothing more, nothing less. Right? You can use another method, Creator Studio. Right? Older Meta tool. You could go to business, facebook.com/creator studio. Right? Then connect your Instagram and create reel. Right? Upload your media, add your caption, and choose schedule. Done. Still works, but Meta is slowly phasing it out for Business Suite. So it says right here, Creator Studio is going away. So make sure that you switch to the newer version, which is the newer version, Meta Business Suite. Method 3, you can use third-party tools if you want extra analytics, right? You can use tools like later.com, right here, or Buffer, Hootsuite, or Metricool, right? These let you preview your Instagram grid, auto-schedule posts, stories, and reels, see performance stats, manage comments and DMs. Some require you to log in via Facebook, and some offer limited free plans. So make sure to know which one is which, right? Bonus tip for quality posting: use 4K or high resolution, high-res images. Instagram compresses, but starting high helps. Avoid editing inside Instagram. Export from DaVinci, Lightroom, or CapCut. Add alt text for accessibility and SEO inside Meta's editor. Right? Test posting times. Engagement often peaks around 6 to 9 p.m. local time. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.